Now, I've received a bunch of messages lately asking me, how are people going to earn 40% on their new Moomoo account? I like to trade with Moomoo. I've got the link below on every one of my YouTube videos, but now I'm going to give you a simple math class on how you're going to make 40%. So the first thing, step number one, go below. You need to click on the link below. Yes, it must be our link in order to get these benefits. Number one benefit, you sign up by December 20th. You get a $10 free coupon when you deposit your $100. Next, when you first open up an account, whether you deposit $100 or not, you get one free stock. But when you deposit $100, you get 4 more free stocks. So let's just recap. Moomoo, you're going to get a 40% return. It is free money. How do you do it? You look below. Simple steps, no brainer. Link below. Go on the link. Open an account. 1 free stock. You fund your account with $100. 4 more free stocks. So now you're with me. You have 5 free stocks. And then you have a coupon as long as you sign up and open your account by December 20th. Now, when you open your account, easy way to claim these rewards. You go under and you hit rewards, and then you'll hit click claim on the coupon. You'll claim your first stock, your second stock, your third stock, fourth stock, fifth stock. If you happen to open up an account with $2,000, you get 15 free stocks in total. But let's just assume you're opening up an account to make the 40%. The free money that I'm talking about, the 40% return, the no-brainer. So you deposit $100, you're using the link below, you make sure you click on the coupon as well. Now, stocks and results can vary. My stock, I got 1 share of DraftKings, $13. I got 3 shares of BB, right? BlackBerry, terrible company, but it's free. So I got 3 shares of that. Then I got 1 share of Fuel Cell. Used to be a little more hyped up during the pandemic. Right now it's probably trading around $3.50. So let's do the math together. $13 plus $15 plus $3.50. Are you with me so far? That's $31.50 for doing nothing at all. Opening an account, funding it with $100. Then you get the $10 coupon. So you make $31.50 from the free stocks, and then you get the coupon for $10. So your return, are you with me? It's $41.50 plus your original $100 because you haven't had to trade anything at all, bringing your total to $141.50. A return of 41.5% for not trading. So again, to recap, you don't have to trade. What you do have to do is you have to go to Moomoo. It's simple steps, no brainer, free money. The first thing you're going to do is use the link below. Then you're going to deposit $100, whether it's ACH or you wire it in. Me, I'm an ACH guy. I wasn't planning on trading the $100, so it's going to sit there while I make 40%. Then, when you finally get acclimated to Moomoo, you'll click on your icon, you'll click the button rewards, and you can go and claim your $10 coupon, your 4 additional free stocks, and your original free stock for joining the platform. Again, my stocks, DraftKings, BlackBerry, and Fuel Cell. Now understand, we've had others who have signed up, and your stocks can be Apple, $151 a share today. Coinbase, also up today, over $70. I think it's closer to $74. JetBlue, probably in the $8 range. And then you have Bed Bath & Beyond, meme stock, but it's at $5 and there's some activity today. Again, so you add these up. You do not have to trade. You sit there with your $100, you collect the 5 free stocks and the $10 coupon. If you decide to trade, then you're either following me on the Moomoo platform, you're following me here on YouTube, possibly Twitter, or you're on my Discord. Let's remember the last challenge I had, $100 returned 2,400% in 8 trading days. Now that I told you about free money, make sure you join me every morning at 8:30 for my pre-market analysis and my strategy session. Remember, YouTube is free.